Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Ako pala si Janus na Pinoy Techdad. Today, pag-uusapan natin itong bagong-bagong Tecno Pova 4 Pro na nabalitaan ko merong collaboration with Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So, maganda daw ang performance ng ML dito. Yan po ang aalamin natin dito sa video na to. This will be my quick unboxing and initial impressions video. So, tara, samahan nyo ako. Unbox natin to. Lipat muna tayo sa top-down view. Alright guys, so ito na, pure unboxing experience. Again, we have the Tecno Pova 4 Pro. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, para sa mga naghahanap ng normal na Tecno Pova, meron din po tayo. I-unbox rin po natin dito sa channel. So itabi lang po natin dito. But again, we're gonna focus on the Tecno Pova 4 Pro. Let's unbox this. Kita nyo naman, fresh na fresh. Silyado pa. And nakikita nyo dito, meron tayong pull tab. We're just gonna pull that. Oops. Sablay pa, di ba? Yan. And also, makikita nyo yung sticker dito nakalagay, Latin American version. Actually, malakas itong Tecno na brand sa Latin American region. Alright, so here we go. Bam! This is the Tecno Pova 4 Pro. Mamaya ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung kulay. Let's check out muna yung mga kasama dito sa box. So first off, meron tayong manual. And then dito nakalagay yung 12 months warranty. But don't worry guys, kasi 12 plus 1 pa rin ito. So meron pa rin tayong extra 1 month. Nakausap ko yung Tecno Philippines and they told me about it. So huwag kayong mag-alala doon. And we have this case. Soft case po siya, clear case. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung cutout dito. Grabe, sobrang unique. This is the first time that I've seen a cutout like this. Next up, we have earphones. So may kasama tayong ditong SIM ejector tool, earphones. Actually, this is a headset kasi may microphone na kasama to. And then USB-C charging cable. And then we also have this 45-watt na charger. Okay guys, so now it's time to find out kung anong kulay yung nakuha natin. So, moment of truth. Bam! It's the orange. Or more specifically, rutile orange. Dahil meron tayong dark color here. And then orange highlights. Grabe, hindi ko in-imagine na ganito ka-intense yung design niya in person. But let's take off these stickers muna. So yan, para makita nyo talaga yung true beauty ng phone na to. Tingnan nyo yung camera module, guys. Sheesh! Ang ganda, ang ganda. Talagang pang-gamer yung datingan, no? But anyway, guys, ituloy na muna natin yung unboxing experience natin. So let's check out the ports first. So sa baba, meron tayong 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, USB-C charging port, and a down-firing speaker. Sa right side, nandito yung power button natin and the fingerprint scanner. And meron tayong volume keys as well. Sa top portion, nandyan naman yung secondary speaker natin. Dito naman sa left side natin, nandito yung triple card slot. Meron tayong dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot. Now, balikan lang natin saglit itong back panel nito kasi napakaganda talaga ng effect nyo. Parang nag-glow yung orange dito sa likod. Very elegant looking and very gamer yung design niya. And also yung geometric lines ito is a little bit glossy. Pero overall, yung back panel is matte finish. And surprisingly, for a 6,000 mAh na battery capacity, hindi ganun kakapal yung phone. And then dito naman sa camera module niya, although hindi pa natin matetest for now, meron siyang 50 megapixel na main sensor. Dito naman tayo sa front panel niya guys, meron tayong 6.67 inch na AMOLED display, 90Hz refresh rate, at meron din tong 180Hz touch sampling rate. And meron din tayong 8 megapixel na water drop notch na selfie camera. Pero mamaya ulit natin pag-usapan yung display nito dahil gusto ko munang banggitin sa inyo kung bakit maaasahan nyo to pagdating sa performance at this price range. So simulan natin with the chipset. So this one is equipped with a Mediatek Helio G99 chipset. So kung nakasanayan nyo na yung G90 series, alam nyo naman yan dito sa entry level na maaasahan nyo yan pagdating sa games. Although this time around, palagi ko rin binabanggit to pag G99 yung chipset, mas maaasahan nyo palalo pagdating sa battery efficiency. So napakagandang combination na merong G99 na chipset na power efficient dahil sa 6 nanometer fabrication as well as the 6,000 mAh na battery capacity. But we'll talk more about the battery later on in the video. So eto po yung Antutu benchmark points na nakuha natin. 377,000 Antutu benchmark points, not bad for an entry-level device. At eto naman po yung mas detalyadong Antutu benchmark results natin. Na bukod pa sa chipset, meron din tong napakalaking RAM, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage ang base variant nito. Pero itong nasa akin is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and napakaganda kasi expandable pa po yung storage nito. Meron tayong triple card slot as you've seen kanina. Pwede rin po natin i-expand dahil meron tong virtual RAM up to 13GB of extended RAM. So if kukulangin pa yung 8GB of RAM nyo, which I think hindi naman kukulangin yan, ayun, pwede pa ng 13GB of extended RAM. Now, para naman sa audio nito, meron tayong dual speakers na merong DTS certification. So, maasahan nyo na solid yung lalabas na sound nito for the price level. So, eto po yung quick sound test natin.
Pero, ibabahagi ko sa inyo yung mga karanasan ko tungkol sa pag-online shopping kasi ang dami-dami na talaga nagme-message sa inyo na nagre-request na gawan po ng video kung safe nga ba na mag-shopping online.
Now next naman guys, alam ko marami sa inyo nag-aalala, pagdating sa entry-level phones, okay pa rin ba yung gyroscope? Well, surprisingly, goods yung gyroscope for this year. So tingnan nyo naman to, very responsive and on time and walang delay yung gyro response dito sa Tecno Pova 4 Pro. So this time around guys, I'm happy to tell you na wala na pong delay sa gyro nila. Pero it doesn't end there guys, kasi bukod pa doon, meron pa silang extra na nilagay dito para sa mga gamers talaga on a budget. So meron tayong game space and it has the Panther Boost. So basically it's a software boost para mas ma-enhance palalo yung gaming experience nyo. And makikita nyo dito mismo yung Panther engine. So pwedeng-pwede nyo idagdag dito yung mga games na nilalaro nyo tulad na lang nitong Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9. Now, bago ko ibahagi sa inyo yung very short gameplay experience ko so far with the Tecno Pova 4 Pro, I would just like to share na yung 6,000 mAh na battery capacity nito, according to Tecno, ay kayang mag-game on Mobile Legends ng sunod-sunod 9 hours straight of gaming bago kayo malobat. Now, that's insane guys, and I can't imagine myself playing Mobile Legends for 9 hours straight. Pero kung merong kaya sa inyo ang gawin yon, guys, itest nyo na dito sa Tecno Pova. I wanna know kung capable nga ba talaga for 9 hours straight of gaming. Dahil sobrang wild nun. Now, once malobat ka, kayang mag-charge ito for 1 hour and 30 minutes dahil sa 45 watts na charger niya. So, from 0 to 100%, 1 hour and 30 minutes lang daw. So, again guys, kaka-unbox pa lang natin and meron pa tayong 51% na battery capacity remaining. So, hindi ko pa po na-charge to. Sa full review natin, ibabahagi ko po sa inyo yung exact time kung gaano katagal mag-charge itong 6,000 mAh na battery with the 45 watts of fast charging. Pero I'm very impressed guys na very consistent si Tecno sa pagbigay sa atin ng one of the biggest battery capacities sa mga budget level phones. So Tecno Pova is well known for 6,000 mAh of battery capacity. Alright guys, so ito na yung gameplay footage natin, gameplay sample natin so far with the Tecno Pova 4 Pro. At ang mga nasubukan ko pa lang ay Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, as well as Asphalt 9. Para sa ML guys, ang sinabi sa akin ni Tecno is that they collaborated with Mobile Legends Bang Bang to give you that superb gaming experience when you're playing this particular game. But so far, yung settings niya is hindi pa ganun ka-optimize dahil hanggang high pa lang yung kaya, high frame rates as well as high graphical settings. So wala pa po tayong ultra, but so far, wala pong problema sa paglalaro ng ML. But of course, it's a given naman guys kasi Mobile Legends is not really a hard game to run on any kind of phone. Pero for an entry-level phone at this price range, mamaya magugulat kayo sa presyo nito. This is very affordable for what it can give you. Napaka-smooth ng gameplay with Mobile Legends. And then moving on naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, it's the same thing. Hindi pa gaanong optimize yung settings niya. So medyo limited pa lang yung graphical settings na available as you can see on your screen. But so far, buttery smooth rin yung na-try ko na gaming experience with this one. Now, para naman sa Asphalt 9, I don't think it was able to generate all of the graphics effects na maasahan nyo pag flagship yung gaming device na gamit nyo. But overall, napakaganda pa rin ng visuals na nakuha ko with this phone. So, very immersive pa rin naman yung gameplay experience na makukuha nyo with Asphalt 9, lalong-lalo na pag sinagad nyo yung volume ng dual speakers nito. Alright, so far with the 3 games na nasubukan ko with the Tecno Pova 4 Pro, I would say na it's what you would expect from the G99 chipset performance. Really solid performance pagdating sa games at this price range. So magkano nga ba yung Tecno Pova 4 Pro? Well, for the base variant na 8128, you can get this for only 9,699 pesos. And para naman sa variant na nandito sa kamay ko, 8256, you can get it for 10,490 pesos. Grabe, para sa akin sobrang steal na ng price na yon, and we haven't even talked about yung display niya talaga and yung camera niya, which we'll tackle sa full review natin. So kung gusto nyo makita yung follow-up video natin, camera samples, display samples, and more gaming tests, just make sure to subscribe here sa Pinoy Techdad. So far guys, para sa initial impressions ko, I'm truly impressed with the value that you can get with this phone. Sobrang mura niya with the specs that you can get with it. And make sure pala guys na i-follow nyo yung Tecno PH or Tecno Philippines para sa updates kung kailan nyo to pwedeng mabili sa mga physical stores kasi as of now, wala pa akong information talaga. Alright guys, so that was our quick video para sa Tecno Pova 4 Pro. What do you guys think so far? Sulit nga ba siya para sa presyo niya? At kung may mga katanungan pa kayo tungkol sa phone na to, let me know in the comment section at isasali natin yan sa full review. Na wala pang sinasabi sa akin na specific availability nitong Tecno Pova 4 Pro, pero ang balita ko is around late November to early December magiging available nito for orders. So ililink ko po yan dyan sa description box. Anyway, kung gusto mo pang manood ng mga videos ko, may mga ililink rin po akong videos dyan na I'm sure magugustuhan nyo. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.